Hello there, welcome to my channel. First of all, thank you for subscribing to my channel if you have already subscribed. And if you're new here, thank you for dropping by. I'm super happy to see you all here, and it gives me so much confidence to continue posting my project and DIY videos here. Today, I'm taking you through this finished project of mine. I made an explosion box for my friends celebrating their wedding anniversary. Explosion box is a unique, fun-filled gift box made with paper, and it explodes outwards as the lid is removed. These boxes are perfect gifts for birthdays, anniversaries, or even as party favors. So as you can see, I've made the box very elegant and classy looking. I used a simple satin ribbon to tie up the box, which also acts as a support to the flaps on the box. You may also notice a craft paper tag on top of the lid. I love adding these tags to most of my products just to remind the receiver about it being handmade. I generally always write handmade with love on these tags because it purely is filled with all the love I can convey through making things by hand. As I remove the lid, you can see the box exploding, or rather the sides of the box cascades outward. This exploding box does not have many layers, as I did not want it to get bulky on the inside. And if I did add many layers to it, I would have not been able to fit in this beautiful hand-lettered coffee mug inside. All I wrote on the mug is Mrs. and Mr. Shoaib, which are the names of my friends, and I've also included their wedding anniversary date on the sides. I love the way how the golden colored lettering stands out on this black coffee mug. There are 4 flaps in total, and all of them opens up like a waterfall upon pulling the tab I've put at the bottom. Here I have lettered a quote from the Holy Quran as per the couple's request. Upon pulling the tab, you can see the different backgrounds and pattern papers I've used for the photo background on this project. I used 3D alphabet stickers and included the word love on this flap here. On the next flap here, I kept it simple with a pale floral background pattern paper. I used this beautiful embellishment that says I love you. The third flap here, I lettered this lovely quote, which is also funny, that says let's grow old and very annoying together. The more you open and close these waterfall flaps, the smoother they become. The last flap here is very similar to the second flap. I have included glittery alphabet words on all the 4 flaps. Finally, at the center, I have made a pull-out photo flap. I have tied it with a matching twine for opening it with all the joy and surprise one can get along with a gift like this. And voila! These flaps include space for photographs, quotes, and lettering alternating. It's pretty long and can include photos on both sides, fitting up to a number of 20 photos at a time. And this is just another mug that I sent along with the box. This mug has all the names of each member in their family. With that, I come to the end of this video. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video as much as I love sharing my projects with all of you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe on my channel. Also click on the bell icon for future notifications. See you all in the next video. Bye.